On the evening of 27th February, the Tourist Police Unit conducted a significant operation at Keri Plateau in Pernem. Acting on reports of unauthorized activities, officials apprehended paragliding equipment from Raju Gawandi, a resident of Talewada, Pernem. Gawandi was found conducting paragliding operations without the necessary permissions from the competent authority. This crackdown highlights the state's commitment to regulating adventure sports and ensuring tourist safety. The seized equipment, along with a detailed report, has been forwarded to the Directorate of Tourism for further investigation and action. Authorities have reiterated that such activities without proper permits pose serious risks and will not be tolerated. Stay tuned for more updates on this story. For now, this serves as a reminder to all adventure enthusiasts: always ensure you have the required permissions before engaging in such activities.